Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi A1. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your nose and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.